What's good, everyone? Today I'm in my custom world and I'm gonna try and build custom assets. What? I'm gonna try and build a sword. I thought you might make this intro more interesting. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna honestly just sit in like a pixel art creator and just draw for like a few hours. Someone told Kai, Corey, Justin Smith, Ben Hader. What's up, guys? How you doing? We got Insanity. Got Justin Smith being first. Big. I'm not feeling it, I'm not gonna lie. Welcome back to Interceptor. I say Sector, and I'm like, that's not it. Okay, I don't know how to make custom art for this game, so I'm learning something new today. I'm learning a lot of new stuff, which I love. I mean, this is essentially just mixing art and like making a resource pack, which I don't know how to make a resource pack, but I have been doing art on my channel for the last little bit. The difference is I feel like today, when I make my art, I'm going to have inspiration, I think, that I'm gonna pull from, as well as I'm probably gonna have to write down, I might have to create like a Google Docs document, and I'm gonna have the images that I draw, and I'm gonna write down properties, and I might even just do it on the art itself. I might just say like, oh, can do this, can do this, can do this. You know what I'm saying? Probably suspect the SMP pack. Nope, nope. No spank you. I think we just gotta get into it. How do I make a resource pack? I'm gonna say how to add YouTube. How to make custom weapons in Minecraft.
Yo guys, what is up? My name is JoeCraft, and before we get into the next crazy set of Minecraft projects, I wanted to share with you my obsession with custom-made items in Minecraft. As you know, I've created hundreds of these items in the past and used them to flood the entire MMORPG survival server with all sorts of lootable treasures, dungeons, and even quest items. And this is the kind of thing I wish Mojang implemented into the game. I know not everyone would feel the same way, but I just love the idea of finding unique items and collectibles as opposed to finding the same armor pieces over and over again. At the very least, it would be interesting if we could actually customize the armor sets. Now, funny enough, I literally just googled this, and apparently I'm really far behind on the Minecraft news, because with Minecraft's new update, Trails and Tales, they are going to be adding a bunch of new pattern designs that allow you to create over 900 different combinations of armor styles and colors, which is pretty insane. I mean, just take a look at some of these designs. I honestly have no idea why I missed out on.
Just tell me how to make
I love this idea.
set.
Anything that
Custom
view
weapons.
Another build tips
Also,
and tricks video.
His custom weapons were just
them.
a diamond sword. Like, it was just a diamond sword with a name.
Mechanics. It's literally as easy as grabbing a command block and using a simple website that generates the commands for you, based on the different options you select. And with just a bit of creativity, you can have your very own overpowered killer carrots that sends your enemies.
Yeah, this is stupid as hell. That's not what I need.
I'm a 3D artist, and in this video, I turned 10 basic Minecraft items into the most ridiculously over-engineered versions I could possibly think of, and even showed them to a real mod developer to get his reaction. And we're starting with stone shovel. Wow, great. A chain, and a slightly more dangerous shovel head. I call it the shovel flail. Real creative name, I know. I think it would work like a normal shovel, but if you hold right click, you start twirling it around like a madman. Acacia, right? It's got the golden propeller.
Today we're going to be learning how to create a custom item. You're going to want to go ahead and go down to the description below and download the default resource. Create the extract. That extracted and ready to go. Open up your resource pack menu here, and you're going to want to go ahead and click Open Pack Folder. And once you have that up and open, you're going to want to go ahead and drag your default resource pack folder into your Minecraft resource pack folder. And now we're going to want to go ahead and head inside here, go into the assets folder, Minecraft. You're going to want to find, I want to use, so once you find the file that you're going to want to base your custom item off of, you're going to go ahead and whatever you're, and paste it inside the same folder here. And then you're going to want to rename it, whatever your item name is. So mine's going to be Battle Axe. Alright, and now you're going to go ahead and find that file again, so the original file that you based your item off of, and we're going to go ahead and right click that and open it up in Visual Studio Code. And once you have that open up in Visual Studio Code, it should look something similar to this, just replaced with whatever base item you're using. So we're going to want to go ahead and go down to this first curly bracket here. We're going to want to do comma, then we're going to want to do it's custom for the quote unique ID, so this I don't want it to conflict with another data pack. Use a after the underscore model underscore data, then after the quotation mark you want to do another colon, just be in conflict marks, and in here we're going to type model colon and then open and close some quotation marks, and in here we're going to want to use create the path to our colon item / battle axe. Now, so you should go ahead and go back into our folder. Alright, so right here, so now we can just go ahead and right click this one and open it up in Visual Studio Code. And once you have that open, it should look something similar to this right here. And very easy, all you're going to do in here is replace this iron sword with whatever you called your item. So in my case, battle axe again. And that is it for this file. So now let's go ahead and create our custom model or our custom battle axe item image. Alright, so I went ahead and created this little custom battle axe item here in Photoshop. So once you have your item created, you just want to make sure that you save it. Alright.
These tutorial people suck ass. No dimensions, no X, Y,
in
like
Photoshop. So once you have your item created, you just want to make sure that you save the pack. And then you want to go ahead and name it whatever you named it inside of Visual Studio Code. So yet again, and make sure you're saving it as a PNG file. So once you have your custom, so boom, just make sure that it is indeed selected and active. And then in the game, you're going to go ahead and type out in the console / give @s Minecraft, whatever you whatever item you base yours off of. So mine is the iron sword. Open and close some curly brackets, and then here you're going to do capital C, custom, capital M, model, capital D, data, colon, and then whatever that unique ID that you created in the Visual Studio Code file, which mine was 99. Now if we hit enter, we should see our item pop up. Alright, so I got this default texture here, so that must mean that I must have done something wrong in the code. So let's go ahead and dive back in and find the mistake I made.
Is it because you spelled model
wrong?
So
some of you may have caught it already. It was actually in our ironsword.json the game. I'll reload our texture pack. So make sure that you double check, make sure all your spelling is correct. And if you can see, I'm going to make alright, and go ahead and go using there, and we're at a Visual Studio Code. We should be able to open that folder. So folder again, open up your save, open up source and that will take you to this website here, which is a very handy website that helps you create custom recipes. So as you can see up here, you can paste in my case iron, and then for the output you're going to look up the knowledge book. So now this is just something that isn't actually in the game that you can't use. Put set ready for us here, so go ahead and copy that, and now back inside our data pack, all ready for us here. So go to Minecraft folder
super
here,
helpful, this
recipes, right click and hit new file, and you want to name this whatever your item is. So my case is battle axe, and we're going to do underscore recipe dot JSON. You got to make sure you put that dot JSON at the end there, or it will not work. Okay, so inside here, we're just going to go ahead and paste that code that we copied from the website. And that's it for that recipe. So now let's go back and this website here, which is another handy tool. So this allows us to create custom advancements. And this is how we're actually going to trigger.
Okay, this tutorial is actually really helpful. I'm sorry I flamed you earlier. He didn't really say any of the dimensions, and he's not being super clear. I am kind of skipping through it, but this is very helpful. He's not just showing custom items. He's showing how to make custom advancements, which I love. He's showing how to make custom recipes, which I love.
Custom item. So first thing we're going to do here is click add child, and now here we're going to go ahead and go to display, and we're going to want to click this utility button there. That just makes it so that it doesn't actually pop up in the game. Now let's go to criteria. We're going to want to hit the plus sign here, and we're going to look for recipe unlocked, which is right here. So recipe unlocked, criteria name, just call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it battle axe. So down here in the recipe, we're going to want to type out Minecraft battle axe underscore recipe. This is that file.
I'm just going to keep, I'm going to open up all these. Now, this is where the issue kind of starts to come into play. Because let's say I want to use like fairy dust or whatever the hell to make like a magic wand. That sounds kind of fire, actually. So there's no fairy dust or magic wand. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, what if I just want like stick and a custom thing I make, which is called fairy dust, right? Which isn't in the game. Would I replace that with like glowstone? And then the fairy dust can be, and then I do knowledge book, right? Knowledge book 1.21, perfect. Output recipe. I want this to be like fairy wand dot recipe. We'll say crafting recipe dot JSON. And then do I just replace this with fairy dust? And then I do, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I didn't give Justin Smith his points. Let me go do that. Let's turn this video back on though.
File that we just created inside of Visual Studio. Alright, so down in the reward section here, we're going to go down to the function area, the function field, and we're going to want to type out the name of the function that we're about to create inside of our data pack. So in my case, it's going to be tutorial give underscore battle axe. So now this first section here is going to be whatever your data pack is called. So I'll go into more detail on that inside of our data pack folder. But that should be it for this. So now we're going to want to go ahead and scroll up to the top here and click view JSON. And then we're going to go ahead and copy this and head back inside of Visual Studio Code. And now we're going to want to go down to advancements, right click, new file.
No
and
problem,
then we're going to
Justin.
call this battle axe.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this right here actually. Okay, there we go. Got you the points. I kind of lost what happened because I wasn't really watching.
Of the we're created inside of Visual Studio. All right, so recipe. This is that
Triggers after the player unlocks a recipe using a knowledge book, for example.
File that we just created inside of Visual Studio, the function field, and we're going to want to type out the name of the function that we're about to create inside of our data pack. So in my case, it's going to be tutorial. Or it's going to be what inside the top here and click out of Visual Studio Code, and now we're going to want to go down to Advancements, right click, New File, and then we're going to call this Battle Axe underscore.
I have like a... I have like an empty... Yeah, it was called Vanilla Default 1.20.4. Let me download Vanilla Default. One. Oh, I pressed tab on accident.
Advancement.
Nope, not that. I want some music to play now. This is saying it's 1.21.3. I need 1.21.1 or the 0. Now it's just shades of us. Shades of us. Smoking in the rain. Remind me what is holding up this flame again. And it ain't like the way it was. Now we're just... Oh, that's gonna take a while to extract. That's fine. I reminisce and I cringe so much that I out of me go. And the people around me look at me like I'm insane. I'm sorry. I'm on the road staying inside the lane. I'm inside the flame. Even when I'm outside, I'm still inside the rain.
.json and paste that code inside of here. Alright, so very quick, as I mentioned inside the advancement website there, this needs to be called whatever your data pack is called. So to fix that, you're going to go to where it says your pack name here, and you're going to right click, rename, and then type out whatever your pack is going to be called. So mine's just going to be called tutorial. And then you're going to go ahead and go into the Minecraft folder up here, go down to tags, open that up into functions, and you're going to go ahead and click on your load.json and rename this to your pack name, as well as the tick function here. Rename it there as well. And now you should be all ready to go. So now we're going to want to go ahead and go down to our functions folder here, and we're going to create that give function that we were talking about earlier. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and right click, hit new file, and call it whatever you called your function inside of the advancement website. So mine was give underscore battle axe. Alright, so inside of our give created the advancement s colon takes back, and the next thing we're going to go ahead and type out clear, just take that out. Alright, some item with which is a hand to actually type it all out. And we're going to want to change it to the entity executing the command, so that'll be the player. And now we're going to go ahead and go down to the bottom here where it says give item and select our item, which is going to be your base item. So in my case is the iron sword. Alright, so once you have your item selected here, you can go ahead and give it a custom name. So mine will be battle axe. And you can set custom colors or do whatever you want. So let's go ahead and just make it green, make it bold, and you can just go crazy here, have some fun with me that we use for our unique ID. So in my case is 99. And then you can also give it custom tags, whatever, enchantments. So these guys up to the, want to include this slash here because it doesn't stat now, so slash reload to reload your data pack here, and this just applies all the changes that we made inside of Visual Studio Code into the game itself. So now we have that, let's go ahead and give ourselves the items for our recipe here. So mine was a stick and iron ingots. Alright, so now that we have our item like that, now we get the knowledge book. So unfortunately, as far as I know, there's no way to edit this to make this any different. It has to look like the knowledge book and says knowledge book on it. There may be a way, but to my knowledge, there's not. Now,
Let's change the code, right?
either way, if we click this, boom, we get our battle axe. And now, the rest, boom, just like that. And now you can create it as
Why does
many
it have
times
durability?
as you want. And if we set it to nighttime and go ahead and find some mobs, we should be able to knock these guys into outer space. It is named Battle Axe. It has our custom values, the custom enchantments.
Okay, so this looks terrible, but at least it works, right? Okay. So I'm gonna actually just start by, oh shit, nice. Love life. I'm just gonna open up Photoshop and just start drawing. Shit is sunny. I'm really not feeling that today. Yeah, I'm just gonna name this syrup. Sunny. That's a secret. What should I? Is that good? Shit is sunny. I'm gonna label this after. I'm just gonna do stone sword. I don't want to leave. Run a boy, check it out. I'm gonna rename this. I'm just gonna call it like energy sword or something. Okay, so I'm gonna open this in Visual Studio. Okay. Actually, I want to open this again. Oh, not with that. And then I want to go to Stone Sword. Then I want to open with Visual Studio. Right, this is what he was saying. I have these both open.
copy. Go ahead and head inside here, go into the item. You are going to want to be the file that had the same. Mine's going to be, go ahead and find that file, right click that, and open it up in Visual Studio. Things similar to this, just replace with whatever base item you're using. So we're going to want to go ahead and go down to this first curly bracket here. We're going to want to do comma, then we're going to want to do quotation mark and type overrides.
Okay, I don't think I can.
Quotation mark.
I can't.
And we're going to do comma. Then we're going to want to do quotation mark and type overrides.
Why does mine look so weird in comparison to
We're gonna
his?
do
Why
a
is my why are
colon.
my lines not
We're
there?
going to open and close some square brackets. Inside of those, we're going to want to open and close some curly bracket here. We're going to want to do comma,
Oh, no.
then we're going to want to do quotation mark and type overrides. We're going to do a colon. We're going to open and close some square brackets. Inside of those, we're going to want to open and close some curly brackets again. Open up some quotation marks, type predicate, colon, open and close some more curly brackets, and here we're going to type custom, quotation marks, and then custom underscore model underscore data. Then after the quotation mark, you want to do another colon, and then here we're going to want to give it a unique ID. So this will just be any number you want to use. The higher the better, because you don't want it to conflict with another data pack. But for today, I'm just going to do 99. And after that, you're going to want to go ahead and do a comma, open and close some quotation marks, and in here we're going to type model, colon, and then open and close some quotation marks, and in here we're going to want to create the path to our custom model. So for us, this is going to be Minecraft, item / battle axe. Now, whatever you type here is what the file is going to be named. So make sure that it is all lowercase, no spaces, and you should be good to go.
No, that's not what I wanted to have happen at all. I don't know why that happened.
Alright, so that is it for this file here, file that we created earlier, Visual Studio Code. And very easy, all you're going to, so in my case, battle axe again.
Let's save this. We're gonna go here. We're gonna call it energy sword. Let's save
And that is
this.
it for this file. So now let's go ahead and create our custom model. Went ahead and custom.
Okay, so these are both good now. I do want to. How do I? Fuck. I already want to end this stream, I'm not gonna lie. It's 29 minutes. I hate this motherfucker named Tommy Productions. Copyrights every single one of my videos, even though he's not in it. He doesn't make the song. It's just some 6-year-old kid. Listen to this.
Bastards.
This video has 170 views. I get copyrighted for this kid because he steals a Quideka song or a sample or something, upload it to YouTube, and I get copyrighted for him. Oh. This is literally just Quideka's song. Listen, listen. Is it this one? Yep. Here's Quideka's song. I get copyrighted for this kid every single time I play this album. Because this motherfucker his comments turned off. I wonder why. Should I just write him like a nasty email? You motherfucker. Take this shit off. What is this? He literally just linked like Google's automated response on like on music. What a slimy mother. I hate this kid. He probably just uploads thousands of like copyright free songs and then just steals revenue. Like this guy just sucks. He updates it like every few days too. Updated yesterday, updated 2 days ago, updated today. What a slimy greaseball. And if you don't believe me, okay. Wait, you're allowed to copy and paste transparent stuff now? Looks fire. You gotta hydrate. Dude, I don't know, everything's just pissing me off. Love songs when I was alone. These days I may regret what I say, but never how I feel. I almost cried when I realized that everything was real. When the brain can't articulate feelings and words, they just come out in tears. No matter what happens, I hope that you know I'll forever be here. I was wrong about my song. The man on my left shoulder, 'cause he's been gone ever since you called. So I'll admit it was not true. You're the reason Why is this here? Let's go start. Bro, I might actually just start tweaking, bro.
That's why when you believe in me, I can't describe what that means to me. You help me see what I can't see in me. Easily I need to be between your arms. Let's make this our secret song, but I can't keep a secret when I feel I need to scream it all. Can't even fall, I can't leave it all in the dust, because no matter what, I fear that it's never gonna be enough to repay for all of the trust and the days I crawled in the rough, guessing made for a
I don't think this is like at all the best way to do this, but
you help me hope when I'm faithless, at a scope when I'm aimless. Help me smile when I'm faceless. Help me feel when I'm numb. Help me hide when there's nowhere left to run.
why is my scroll wheel? Oh, I hate. I'm gonna start tweaking, bro.
You know I'll forever be here. I'll forever be It's time to give up on being human. It's time to give up on being human. It's time to give up on being human. It's time to give up on being human.
Whatever.
It's time to give up. It's time to give up on being human. It's time to give up on being It's time.
Is there like a square brush?
An exception for someone.
I might just use like the pixel art thing I have.
Look where it got you. Nice try. You did that thing where you're human. So good job. For once you were. You tried that thing where you're human. You tried, now you're done. I'm gonna be something else. I'm gonna be something else. From here. I'm gonna be something else. From here. I'm gonna be something. Try my best, I did a good job. I'm good.
I want there to be like a runic. Let's go in there for fucking brush paint. I don't care if it looks too high quality. You can just fix it later. I want it to be like a runic, like. And like a glow, where it's like. Nope, that's not.
It's that time at the end of the night when you're blind and you hold out your hand till it's mine. I'll walk you, guide dog to you. If I could, I would trade you my eyes, 'cause you should see you with the clearness of mine. I want to be your guide dog. How I describe you, you're not around. You should see for yourself. I'll find you a confident crowd. I'll be there myself. I want to be your guide dog. Please, you would tell me that you don't agree, but I am half the man you would be if you were me. I watch you like I'm not worthy. Hell, my love songs don't seem to age well, but how long can this speak for itself? I got you till it won't hurt me. How I describe you when you're not around. You should see for yourself, and I'll find you a place in the crowd. I'll be there myself. Do you trust me to be your guide dog?
Waking up next to you, am I complex to you? Scratches on your back, the sun peeking through, sagging baggy jeans, X-rated preview. Feel the wind coming in, are you gonna let it take? I'll be honest, you like movies more than I do. But who asked you? Syrups and centrals, all the peace in the jungles, undercovers undercover. Seeing you in flashes, photos and boxes of matches. Red button, night Watching you dancing up there, changing direction, you painting the sky with your head. Watching you dancing, dancing. Waking up next to you, colder than Texas blue. Purple tea in the cup, green was an indica. New pair of dreams, we burned it all up. Ash on the sheets, you're making me suffer. What will it take to slow you down? That silent treatment gets a little loud. Surround sound. Surround sound. Hurts so much more than I know.
I don't love this for this design. I do like it for a later design though. I make lines. I want to make lines. I thought it was like a line tool. Right here.
Flashback, saw a touch more resolute. Declaring thumb wars in the pocket of my suit. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They go eternalize out, they got. Take it, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They go eternalize out, they got. And what I never knew, I'd rather be inside my head than you. How many times will I couldn't count? Cause it gets so deep, it goes so deep, I'll never pull it out. NYC, I'm red, I'm free, cause they wanna take this and that. LLC for the next LP, I'm never gonna give it back. Stick the proud, no more return flight, said it, I'ma hold on you. I don't usually care for the doom in the air, but it's feeling kinda overdue. Yeah, my favorite poem's what I couldn't say to you. A joke that wasn't funny cause it's true. A flashback, saw a touch more resolute. So forgive me for the hesitant salute. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue if you take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They go eternalize out, thank God. And what I never knew, I'd rather be inside my head than you. How many times I couldn't count, cause it gets so deep, I go so deep, I'm never pulling out.
Took yourself, yes I got my jaw geek, now I'm a cotton mouth. Why do I feel so unsafe, what am I worried about? Cause I didn't sip in any proof. Skip the winter season like it's pay-per-view. It ain't you, I'm just caught up in my own shit, licking wounds. I know it isn't state of the art, but the plate's all I caught. Would you like course two? And what I never knew, could I be inside my head with you? Free towels tryna fuck you right. I know you never great looks, still feel like a fight. But you said if we make love and I start to cry, then I can let it all out, should've rationalized. But goddamn, do I deserve that you can hear me now? It took it so deep and it goes so deep now that I'm hearing it down.
That looks good. I like that. That looks good.
Flashback, saw a touch more resolute. So forgive me, so please forgive me. Take me all apart. Get out my tongue if you take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. What did you say I was pretty? I wanna know what you mean. If I was really so pretty, I wouldn't want to be seen. I'm coming home to the city. I do a lot to be fine. 'Cause when you said I was pretty, all I could ask you was why. Do you notice something new? I did my hair with a twist just for you. I'm the only one still home and it hits me. I know that it's been ways out of Mississippi. I could go out, but I really wouldn't know what to do when everybody tells me I'm so lucky to be loved by you. Hey man, you just noticed something. I'm sucking in my stomach just to hug you like you want me to. Like you want me to. Why did you say I was pretty? I'm pretty sure that's a lie. 'Cause when you said I you 'cause you're easier than nothing, babe. I want you 'cause you're easier than nothing. Show me a vision of hell. You shouldn't go by yourself, but oh my god, maybe I'm not in love. It's just the thought of you. Sometimes it's not enough. Okay, it's hard to explain. Maybe I'm so in love. I follow the open arms that bury me from above. You said it would be okay. 'Cause I want you when you
They were redeeming syrup, Alan. Let me get her.
then I
Coffee's on my bed.
want you when you all your sense in a well. I couldn't count to your head, but oh my god, total my car on the way. It's my fault I'm not always the thought of you. And for everything I gotta say, it's so hard to admit that I wanted you. I was busy being busy, I was busy doing everything in my strength not to acknowledge you. I miss being alone the way I was alone before all the resentment had gotten through. I'm red on my prettiest, I'm taking flex when I'm bullshit my shot like an idiot. She don't know my motive is. I said I'm just here to listen to you, yeah that's really it. But it's fine, you feel the same way. I deliver it to you the same day. And I took, I just to say hey, I think I want you 'cause it I want you 'cause it
Isn't she so cute?
I want you 'cause it easier than nothing. I want you 'cause it easier than nothing. I want you 'cause it easier. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I tried, I'll tell you this. I swear to God, if I walked in that room, you would barely exist. Yeah, I swear to God, if I knocked at that door, you would know who it is. Even if I lie, you know who it is. Even if I'm convinced. When it all comes crashing down, I can't resist. If you try to cover it up, it'll all eclipse. This close to the tipping point of my fingertips. Better listen up and do what I insist. I'm convinced. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I tried, tell you this. I swear to God, if I walk in that room, you would barely exist. I swear to God, if I knock on that door, you would know who it is. Even if I lie, you know who it is. Even if I yeah, I'm convinced. If I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. If I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I
Girl. Feast your eyes on the peak of my power.
You'll see just what it took to find you. Don't be surprised, I'll shine it from the sides behind you.
I'm just gonna make it really big and then shrink it later.
And what's the tone? It's a light in a room with a multicolored ceiling. It's a white on the shoes with the multicolored creasing. It's just like bit of truth with the multicolored meaning. I like to hide a little less. I like to cry a little more. If I was happy, you know why. I risk it all just to make sure. And what's the tone? It's a light in a room with the multicolored ceiling. It's a white on the shoes with the multicolored creases. It's just like bit of truth with the multicolored meaning. I like to hide a little less. I like to cry a little more. If I was happy, you know why. I risk it all just to make sure. Talking all night, I held you still, but you don't know you like that, and you never will. Color light, it was never real. 'Cause you don't know you like that, and you never will. You was always the same. You was everyone to blame. You was sensitive to pain. Was vulnerable to decay. I took it out of my secrets. I'm timid and still ashamed. I let them know the picture's great. You feel like it's a stage. I did what I'd rather do, and who's it matter to? For me, I
I don't like it there. I might like it. So far. Are you talking about the one we're playing right now, or the one I made just for you guys? What's up, Juvius? It's been a while. How have you been?
I make it look effortless. I make it look effortless. Tell you what, I don't need to preface it. I'm filling my cup, but it's still half empty. I feel like a pessimist. She thinks she in love, but she only half met me. She don't get the sentiment. I still hold the door open for you on your way. I'll still be a gentleman. And I'm too far gone. Don't wanna hear about what you are on. Lately I'm just feeling out my mind. Maybe I gotta draw the line. I make it look effortless. I make it look effortless. Tell you what, I don't need to preface it. Make it look effortless. Start calling my bluff if you wanna make a mess. Don't call you enough, not as much as I intend. I don't say it enough, but I think you in the end. Might delay a few events on the day, it just depends. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. Tell them that I miss them now, play some pretend. I can't tell you what it's really about, 8 times out of 10. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. Had to put something on my buttons, gotta be tucked into my pants. Had to be shutting like it was nothing, I got a judgment in advance. Done and dusted, you cannot touch this cause I'm reluctant when I dance. It's so similar, a visitor who never got a chance. I can't tell him that I miss him now, make it one and done. Didn't fit, I took a different route, make it one-on-one. In the thick I had to figure out if I jumped the gun. Couldn't resist, I had to pin it down till I was undone. And I start calling my bluff if you wanna make amends. Don't call you enough, not as much as I intend. I don't say it enough, but I think you in it. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many.
Dude, this looks terrible. The only one that looks fucking good is this first one. What sword are you making? I'm making like an energy sword.
Guess who? Walked straight into the venue, had to go through the back. Guess who? And in and out, each city didn't even know that. Yeah, true, I play with the money and you pitch like my name's Salah. Yeah, true, that's enough to make somebody disappear when I say tie-dye. Guess who? Guess who? Guess who? Heard of that done? Yes, you. How about this one? Here's the next clue. Looking so tall, next to all of those odds. Bet two. Tell me who's that one in the middle of the night in your head that you never slept through? Yeah. Guess who just walked in the bed of my options were real and my confidence fit. Brand new collection, it cost me killing it, tucking it, killing it, cost me to make. And I got lost on rebuilding. I popped down the ceiling and made it a little space. Dodging to knock off opinions. My Dropbox made lit this, that shit a hospitable place. Okay, I just walked in, now you caught in the act. Okay, don't even
Give me 1 minute.
wanna react. Okay, think it's a choice cause I'm walking in that. Okay, you're missing the point like it's not even that. Guess who? Walked straight into the venue, had to go through the back. Guess who? And in and out, each city didn't even know that. Yeah, true, I play with the money and you pitch like my name's Salah. Yeah, true, that's enough to make somebody disappear when I say tie-dye. Charlie, guess who? Remind me, go ahead and take a shot, I'm taking it lightly. You thought you could take my spot, I'm staying in my beat. If you put me in a box, double check, cause it gotta be 100 miles deep. Yeah, they think I changed a lot, but I promise I'll leave. Even if the bounce is double takes on my ID, cause I drew a way before I even turned 19. Get 'em mobbed at the in and out, in a dry clean, dropping tapes like I couldn't figure out a crime scene. My career fucking weird, can't even define me. All the skills still here, they said I was naive. Niggas were pushing buttons, but never rewind me. Cause they couldn't tell a masterpiece from a tight beat. But you glorified interns in the side seats. Bitch, what? Goddamn, room packed out with the fans. Never backed out of my plans. Like I maxed out my advance. It was her turn and lied to me, but she just passed out at the chance. I can't be napped out a couple ends, okay? Okay, guess who? Walked into the vein, had to go through the back. Guess who? And in and out, each city didn't even know that. Yeah, true, I play with the money and you pitch some of that Salah. Yeah, true, that's enough to make somebody disappear when I say tie-dye. Guess who? Guess who? Sleep. Guess who? Guess who? Sleep. Guess who? Guess who? Sleep. Sleep.
This one looks like hot ass, but I don't really give a fuck. As of right now, I can just remake this stuff later. What I want to do, I want to recolor some of this. Hi, girl.
till I am. I'll be there in spirit, I'll be there in spirit. There's a song that belongs to you if you care to hear it. If you find me under your skin again, maybe we could be friends, maybe that'll make too much sense. Those eyes have done it, you're still incensed. So why would you come to me right after I built a fence? If I had you under my skin again, maybe we could pretend that it wouldn't make too much sense.
Why is it like this, bro? There's nothing fucking there! You're a little lighter.
It's time to give up on being human. 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 It's time to give up. It's time to give up on being human. It's time to give up being. It's
Got you. Nice try. You did that thing where you're human. So good job. For once you were you tried that thing where you're human. You tried, now you're done. I'm gonna be something else. I'm gonna be something else. From here. I'm gonna be something else. From here. I'm gonna be something. Try my best, I did a good job. I'm good. I'm learned a lot. I'm gonna be something. I think it's time I start. I'm gonna be something. I'm gonna be something else. I'm gonna be something. I'm gonna be something else. It's that time at the end of the night when you're blind and you hold out your hand till it's mine. I'll walk you, guide dog to you. If I could, I would trade you my eyes, 'cause you should see you with the clearness of mine. I want to be your guide dog. How I describe you, you're not around. You should see for yourself. I'll find you confident ground. I'll be there myself. I want to be your guide dog. Please, you would tell me that you don't agree, but I am half the man you would be fuming. I watch you like I'm not worthy. Hell, my love songs don't seem to age well, but how long can this speak for itself? I got you till it won't hurt me.
next to you? Am I complex to you? Scratches on your back? The sun peeking through. Sagging baggy jeans. X-rated preview. Feel the wind coming in. Are you gonna let it take? I'll be honest. You like movies more than I do. But who asked you? Cause you syrups and centrals, all the beats and the jungles, undercovers, undercover. Seeing you in flashes, photos and boxes of matches, red button, icon, eyelashes, memories of what's all we honest. It hurts so much more than I do. Who asked you? Who asked you? It's a you give and take, but it don't remind me. But principles and I'll be honest. I bite my tongue.
You can hydrate.
I'm going listen. Second I give it, I gotta give it to you. Watching you dancing up there, changing direction. You painting the sky with your head. Watching you dancing, dancing. Waking up next to you, colder than Texas blue. Purple tea in the cup, green was an indica. New pair of dreams, we burned it all up. Ash on the sheets, you're making me suffer. What will it take to slow you down? That silent treatment gets a little loud. Surround sound. Surround sound. Hurts so much more than I do.
Might actually do this instead. Mm-hmm. I need to figure out a way to format that better. Why do all these have like the weirdest? Oh my gosh.
My favorite poem was the one I read to you. For the teleprompter on the tongue of my shoe. My flashback saw a touch more resolute. Declaring thumb was in the pocket of my soul. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all a cart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They got return the lights out, they got take it, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it a la carte. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They got return the lights out, they got and what I never knew.
What are the things that matter to you? I don't want to play Fire Emblem. That sounds kind of fun right now.
So forgive me for the hesitant salute. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue if you take it a la carte. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They got return the lights out, thank God. And what I never knew, I'd rather be inside my head than you. How many times I couldn't count, cause it gets so deep, I go so deep, I'm never pulling out. Took yourself. I got my jaw geek, now I'm a cotton mouth. Why do I feel so unsafe? What am I worried about? Cause I didn't sleep in any proof. Skip the winter season like it's pay-per-view. It ain't you, I'm just caught up in my own shit, licking wounds. I know it isn't state of the art, but the plate's all I caught. Would you like horse too?
As long as I can get everything separated, even if it looks like shit, then I can just... God damn.
my shoe. Flashback, start touch more resolute. So forgive me, so please forgive me. Take me all apart. Get out my tongue if you take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. What did you say I was pretty? I wanna know what you mean. If I was really so pretty, I wouldn't want to be seen. I'm coming home to the city. Too hard to be fine. 'Cause when you said I was pretty, all I could ask you was why. Do you notice something new? I did my hair with a twist just for you. I'm the only one still home and it hits me. I know that it's been ways out of Mississippi. I could go out, but I really wouldn't know what to do when everybody tells me I'm so lucky to be loved by you.
Lucky you, lucky you.
You just notice something. I'm sucking in my stomach just to hug you like you want me to. Like you want me to. Why did you say I was pretty?
Ooh.
I'm pretty sure that's a lie. 'Cause when you said I was pretty, all I could ask you was why. Do you notice something new? I did my hair with a twist just for you.
Whatever, that's good enough. I'll go flying. Nah, this looks stupid as hell, but it's okay, we'll make it better. The first thing we gotta do is change the rune. I need to change the coloring, and I need to change the where the runes are. Okay. So that's a little bit better. Rune 4 is a little too close. I would like it probably up here-ish.
Maybe I'm not in love. It's just the thought of you. Sometimes it's not enough. Okay, it's hard to explain. Maybe I'm so in love. I follow the open arms that bury me from above.
nothing fake. I want you when you're easier than nothing. All your sense in a way. I couldn't count till you had out, but oh my god, tore my car on the way. It's my fault I'm not always the thought of you. And for everything I gotta say, it's so hard to admit that I wanted you. I was busy being busy, I was busy doing everything in my strength not to acknowledge you. I miss being alone the way I was alone before all the resentment had gotten through. Off the radar, my prettiest, I'm taking flights when I'm bored, shoot my shot like an idiot. She don't know what my motive is. I said I'm just here to listen to you, yeah that's really it. But it's fine, you feel the same way. I deliver it to you the same day. And I took, I just say hey, I think I want you cause it I want you cause it easier than nothing, babe. I want you cause it easier than nothing. I want you cause it easier than nothing. I want you cause it easier. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I tried, I'll tell you this. I swear to God, if I walked in that room, you would barely exist. Yeah, I swear to God, if I knocked on that door, you would know who it is. Even if I lie, you know who it is. Even if I'm convinced, when it all comes crashing down, I can't resist. If you try to cover it up, it'll all eclipse. This close to the tipping point of my fingertips. Better listen up and do what I insist. I'm convinced. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Yeah, if I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I tried, I'll tell you this. I swear to God, if I walked in that room, you would barely exist. Yeah, I swear to God, if I knocked on that door, you would know who it is. Even if I lie, you know who it is. Even if I yeah, I'm convinced. If I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. If I shoot it down, I swear I won't miss. Even if I tried, I couldn't miss. Even if I Fix your eyes on the peak of my power. How to fight it, I'll go with this shit with it. All of this shit, I repeat it for hours. And I've been around the globe with this shit, I already know all this shit, I don't need any flowers. Today,
Give her the hydrate. I don't like this one. I kind of want to do something like... I don't hate that one now. Actually, that's one of my favorites. Holy. Your phone has no phone number? That looks good. Oh my gosh, 5 minutes until second channel stream. Holy. Ooh, I might like this one actually.
Have a nice day, and who would win 1 billion
Thank
Ender
you.
Dragons or 1 Axolotl Isle?
Thank you so much for the donation, Something Productions. I hope you're not Tommy Productions, goofy odd. I definitely would say 1 billion Ender Dragons ought to win.
make it look effortless. I make it look effortless. Tell you what, I don't need to preface it. I'm filling my cup, but it's still half empty. I feel like a pessimist. She thinks she in love, but she only half met me. She don't get the sentiment. I still hold the door open for you on your way. I'll still be a gentleman. And I'm too far gone. Don't wanna hear about what you are on. Lately I must be out my mind. Maybe I gotta draw the line. I make it look effortless. I make it look effortless. Tell you what, I don't need to preface it. Make it look effortless. Start calling my bluff if you wanna make a mess. Don't call you enough, not as much as I intend. I don't say it enough, but I'll thank you in the end. Might delay a few events on the day, it just depends. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. Tell them that I miss them now, play some pretend. I can't tell you what it's really about, 8 times out of 10. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. Had to put something on my buttons, gotta be tucked into my pants. Had to be shutting like it was nothing, I got a judgment in advance. Done and dusted, you cannot touch this cause I'm reluctant when I dance. It's so similar, a visitor who never got a chance. I can't tell him that I miss him now, make it one and done. Didn't fit, I took a different route, make it one-on-one. In the thick, I had to figure out if I jumped the gun. Couldn't resist, I had to pin it down till I was undone. And I start calling my bluff if you wanna make amends. Don't call you enough, not as much as I intend. I don't say it enough, but I'll thank you in the end. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many. I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too many friends, I got way too
That's enough for today. What do I want to have happen? I want to build, so I want to make this an animated one where these runes are constantly like kind of waving in and out, like they're fading in and out. And I want this one down here to go ding 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 ding, like it's swapping between all of these. I think that'd be kind of cool. That's good enough for today, though. Hi, girl.
walk straight into the venue, had to go through the back.
Pictures. Game assets. We're gonna say new. We're gonna say Minecraft server.
Guess who? Heard of that done? Yes, you. How about this one? Here's the next clue. Looking so tall, next to all of those odds. Bet too. Tell me who's that one in the middle of the night in your head that you never slept through? Yeah.
I'm gonna save this as. Also, I can show my screen now.
Brand new collection, it cost me killing it, tucking it, killing it, cost me to make. And I got lost on rebuilding. I popped down the ceiling and made it a living space. Dodging and knock off opinions. My Dropbox made living. That shit a hospitable place. Okay. I just walked in, now you caught in the act. Okay. Don't even care how you wanna react. Okay. Think it's a choice cause I'm walking it back.
Okay, that doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look good, but I could definitely make it better. As long as I have the like basic idea, I can make it a lot better. Okay, what do I want to do for my second channel? I don't even know.
Take it lightly. You know you can take my spot. Stay in my beat if you put me in a box.
No, I played Valorant yesterday. Marvel guys are asleep.
Walked into the vein, had to go through the back. In and out, you see they didn't even know that. Yeah, true, I play with the money and you pitch some of that soul out. Yeah, true, that's enough to make somebody disappear when I say turn up.
But I play. I don't want to play that. I don't know, bro. I'm not really.
Guess who? Sleep. Guess who? Guess who? Sleep. Guess who? Guess who? Sleep. Sleep.
Hmm. I don't know what I want to play. I think I'll play this game. I think I know what I'm doing. What's up, Lifted Legend? Sorry, I'm ending my stream right now. I'm switching streams to my second channel. Said I won't kill again.
Baby, I will repent. Said I'd be there for
For
you.
you, still I am.
I'll be there in spirit. I'll be there in spirit. There's a song that belongs to you if you care to hear it. If you find me under your skin again, maybe we could be friends. Maybe that'll make too much sense. Those eyes are done, you're still incensed. So why would you come to me right after I built a fence? If I hide you under my skin again, maybe we could pretend that it wouldn't make too much sense. Find a place to I'll keep you.
Okay, I have everything ready on the second channel. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get the music ready, actually. Yo, what's good? I am What are these? What are these iMod wheels? Why did I get 100 jet washes? Diamond 1, Diamond 1. Should we play hoops? Let's play hoops. I was considering doing 1v1s, but I don't want to play 1v1s. 1v1s ain't fun. 1v1s is just people just winning kickoffs and then just giggling the entire game as the other person rages, and I'm usually the one who rages. What's up, Angel? What's up, Corey? What's up, Vex Plays? Make sure to subscribe if you're new. We're 1 subscriber away from 350. Okay, I want to end this stream, so come on over.